Which ETF is better, XLK or VGT? Now, listen, there's a lot of options out there nowadays, like a lot. And I know as a new investor, it can feel very overwhelming when you look at all the options and then you, the investor, have to decide which one is right for you. And it can drive people crazy. What if I buy VGT but XLK has higher 5-year? Relax. Relax. Just pick one. Don't overcomplicate it. Remember, if you're investing in high-quality ETFs, I mean really high-quality ETFs, over the long run, you're going to be up. Maybe this one would have outperformed the other one by a little bit, or maybe this one would have had slightly lower fees or a little bit of a higher dividend. Relax. Relax. Let's compare VGT to XLK, and you'll see that they're pretty much neck and neck. You ready? Let's go. Oh, wait. Smash that follow. Hey, thanks. I started this whole TikTok account to teach you how to be self-sufficient investors, traders, minimalists, whatever you're interested in. So the idea from this video is that you learn how to do this yourself in the future. You are going to go right here, and then you are going to click on the menu, which is right here, and you're going to find these templates, and they're all totally free. Which ETF is better? Stock Fight, which allows you to compare two stocks, a free resource guide with all of the links that I use to do my own research, and a little sort of document on some information about dividends since people seem to be rather confused about them. But today, we're going to click on this one, which ETF is better? And it'll take you to this little page right here where you can click and find this template. Hello. And now it is clickable and you can add in your own information. But, Kenneth, where do you find all this information? Well, I'm going to use a website like Seeking Alpha, which will let you see everything. 1, 5, 10-year growth, expense ratios, dividends, total holdings, dividend growth over a certain period of time. Everything you need for that template is right here on this website. Now, I've already done all the work here, so let's compare two of the most popular tech-focused ETFs on the market. VGT is $524 per share. Over the last 1, 5, and 10 years, it has gone up 42%, 163%, and 483%. And you'll see that XLK, well, it's kind of similar growth over the 1, 5, and 10 years. Assets under management shows you that these are both pretty large funds. They're not messing around. The dividends are pretty similar percentage-wise. 5-year dividend growth is also pretty similar. They both pay quarterly. They both have very similar expense ratios. And you can see that their holdings breakdown is overwhelmingly technology. For XLK, it is 100% technology. And for VGT, well, they've got a couple of other little plays in here that probably relate back to technology. And we can see their holdings down here. Their top 10 holdings are very similar to XLK. The last one here is Intuit. And you can see that VGT invests in 318 companies and XLK is only investing in 68. So XLK is taking the less is more approach. There are so many people on the sidelines waiting to invest because other bigger influencers come on this platform and constantly try to terrify you so they can get more clicks and more views. A recession, a recession. Relax. You're not buying your whole position today. You're having a long-term outlook on the stock market. You're investing in funds like this, not for the next 2 weeks or the next month or even the next year or two. You're buying now, starting a small position now, which you will add to no matter what is going on. Bull market, bear market, flat market. And over the next 10, 20, and 30 years, you will see growth. Don't worry about the short term. Ignore all the fear and the clickbait on this channel of markets are going to zero, the world is going to end. Everything will be fine. And I know there's a lot out there that can overwhelm you, but just pick something of high quality, and you'll be good.